Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. You know, a lot of time, especially during Chinese New Year, we have a lot of leftover roast pork, seriously. And the problem is with roast pork is that when it is leftover, you know, you can't finish it, you put it inside the fridge, it's going to be soggy. See? See? All the crispy, supposed to be a crispy crackling skin now becomes super soggy. Actually, this one that I bought couple of 1-2 days ago, this one, the same day itself, it already becomes soggy. So now, Appa is going to show you a very easy method how you can make it crispy skin again. Now, first of all, you will need a grilling plate, a grilling plate here. And there's two ways as to how you can roast it. Basically, we want to grill it again, two ways how you can do it. Number one, you can just grill straight away like this without covering, but make sure the skin is actually facing upwards. All right. The second way, but if we don't do any covering, what can happen later is when you grill the pork itself again, while making the pork skin crackling again, crispy again, but the meat at the side may also lose its moisture. It may also get a bit dry out. So if you are worried about that, you can actually wrap one layer of aluminum foil over the meat, just over the meat, but exposing the skin outwards. Right, next thing is the choice of equipment. A lot of us always like to heat up roast pork using microwave. Now that is bad news. If you put your roast pork into the microwave, it's going to become even more softer. And even if you put some crispy roast pork inside a microwave, it will make it soft as well. So never use microwave. So if you can't use microwave, what can we use? We use this. Yes, this is a air fryer. Use an air fryer, or you can use a oven that actually has a broiler function. So this is the. Let me see. I'm going to give you some on it right now. Preheat. I'm going to preheat for a couple of minutes. Preheat to the highest temperature. The one I'm having is about 210 degrees Celsius, which is good enough. So I'm going to preheat for a couple of about 2-3 minutes before I put in the roast pork. Actually, the smaller your air fryer is, the shorter the time you need to preheat. Basically, this one is super small. I forgot how many liters it is. Definitely less than 10 liter. Actually, if you just preheat it for like 1 minute, is even, I think it's good enough. Right, then I can open it up carefully. And we shall carefully put in. Right, so our roast pork is putting in inside. Carefully we close. And we shall air fry it for approximately, I would say, I'll see how it goes in about 5 minutes. And this is why the reason I like this kind of air fryer, because it has glass where I can see exactly what's happening inside. I'm going to actually see some of the skin to get a little bit dark. I'm going to reduce the temperature a little bit to probably about 180. This is about 9 minutes plus. Look at the sizzling. Whoa. It's definitely going to get crispy again. Alright, this is after approximately 10 minutes. I'm going to stop it. Wow. Look at how it sizzles. Is it crispy now? Can you hear it? Okay, can you hear it? It is already crispy. Now this part, I think originally is also not so crispy when it first roasted. And all this nicely crackling. And also the fat, like I said, this is a very fatty part, so I want the fat to render out also. So basically, I think success. All right, so here is the roast pork. Just taken out from the air fryer. Is it crispy? Oh, I can hear the sound already. I'm not sure whether you can hear it, but let me, use hand. Let me try this piece. Huh? Can you hear the sound? It's a success. So that's how simple you can make your roast pork great again. Make your roast pork crispy again, right? Alright, so here's how simple it is to make your roast pork crispy again. Now, if you actually roast your roast pork until it gets burnt again, don't worry about it. Just take it out and scrape off the burnt part. Then it's fine, because actually all the roast pork sellers do the same thing also when they grill their pork. You always get burnt some of the part, yeah? So what I did today is I actually put it inside the air fryer, air fry for approximately 10 minutes using about 180 degrees Celsius. And that's it. You make your roast pork great again. Alright, thanks for watching my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.